Hey, it's Sarah here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about whether or not dropshipping is worth getting into in 2019. So this is a business model that has been around for quite a number of years. A lot of people have been. Um, I've seen a lot of people talking about it maybe like a year or two ago, but as of now, I'm not really seeing as much buzz about it as much nowadays. But I want to really talk about is dropshipping worth getting into in 2019? If you're looking to start some sort of online business, should you go with dropshipping or should you do something else? So I know that there may be some people, thinking, whether or not they should get into this, but I wanted to really clear up, whether or not dropshipping will be worth it for you, in 2019 and even beyond that. So exactly what is dropshipping? In case you, for whatever reason, don't know, dropshipping is pretty much where you list an item that you don't have, to sell like on like either eBay or AliExpress or Amazon or one of these, big e-commerce platforms. You list a product that you don't have, and then whenever someone orders that product from you, you would then go and you take the money that you get from that product, and then you find it somewhere else on one of the other sites for a cheaper price, and then you buy it. You put in the customer's address, and then you keep the difference. So you list a product for a little bit higher than what you found it for on a different site, and then when someone places the order, you then go and take that money, and then you order it again on another site, and then you put the customer's address. So this is something that a lot of people were doing to make good income with, but I'm not really seeing as much talk about it nowadays as maybe like a year or two ago. And I think the reason for that is because the hype for one just started to kind of die down. It was something that a lot of people. It was kind of like one of those like hot new things, like the trendy things, like, oh, this is what a lot of people are talking about now. So I got to start getting into drop shipping now. But nowadays, I'm just not really seeing as many people talking about drop shipping. So the question is, should you get into drop shipping in 2019 or even beyond that? And my personal opinion is I'd say no. The reason why is because there's a lot of problems that come with drop shipping. For one, let's say that you list a certain product. It could be like some sort of like I don't know, like a laptop or something, right? You list a laptop, you see it on like say like Amazon, right? And you see it for like maybe $200, and you list it on like eBay for maybe 250 or something like that. So someone might go and place the order. They see the listing that you put up, and then you decide to, okay, now I'm gonna take the money and then order this product on Amazon. Well, here's the issue with that. Let's say you put up a listing, like 7 days ago, right? And over those 7 days, the other listing that you were gonna place the order with, um, let's say that they're out of stock, and you're unable to find that exact product for that same price. So you're searching, you get the order, and then all of a sudden you're searching online everywhere, to find that same product again, and maybe you might find it again on some other site. You might find that same exact product, maybe not for as low of a price, but you decide to go with that, and maybe you get like 20 dollars in profit or something like that. So that's kind of the other issue. The profit margins aren't as big with drop shipping as they are for other types of business models, which I'll talk more about later in this video. But with drop shipping, it's a very risky business to start in 2019, I'd say. And the other main issue with it is that let's say your customer, they buy a product from you. You then of course take that money, you order the product again, you put their address, they get the product, and then for whatever reason, either they didn't get the product, or it's kind of defective, doesn't really work the exact way that they had hoped, or they just want to return it for whatever reason. So they come to you, and then they're like, hey, I got this product from you. It's not exactly how I had expected. Can I return this and get, you know, a refund back. And that's something that tends to happen very often with sellers on eBay and Amazon. There's a lot of buyers out there who will pretty much go out of their way to, you know, either try and scam you, you know, where they will say that, you know, it doesn't work, and then, you know, complain to eBay or whatever platform they're on. And this way, because a lot of these platforms like eBay, they're more protected against the actual buyer. What often tends to happen a lot of times, and you know, this is what I've been hearing quite a lot from other people who have sold on eBay, whether it's through drop shipping or just selling in general, is that you know, a lot of buyers on there, you know, they buy something and then all of a sudden, you know, maybe like a week or so later, like, or 2 weeks, they decide that, you know, they just want to try and scam the seller and then get their money back. And then eBay or whatever other platform, for whatever reason, I know eBay's very famous for it, they won't even have the customer ship the product back. So that's something that that's definitely a problem that you might run into if you are doing drop shipping, which is another reason why I'd say drop shipping isn't really worth getting into in 2019. So that is my opinion on drop shipping. I personally don't feel like it's really worth it. But of course, you know, you could, you know, you don't have to take my advice. You could always do whatever you feel is right for you. But I want to talk about what I feel is the best online business to really get started with in 2019. So my personal recommendation is affiliate marketing. The reason why I recommend affiliate marketing is because for the average person, it is by far the simplest way of making money online. I wouldn't say necessarily the easiest. It's not like something where you find a good product, you just send traffic to the offer, and then boom, you're making money. It generally takes a lot more work than just that, but I feel like it's the most simple way of really making a consistent income online. So affiliate marketing is pretty much where you take someone else's product, a product that's already out there, a product that's already in a booming industry, and then you decide to promote that product, and then whenever you influence someone to buy that product, you would then earn part of the profits. So there's plenty of affiliate marketplaces that you can join. There's ClickBank, there's JVZoo, there is Warrior Plus, even Amazon has an affiliate program, although the commissions rates on that are kind of low, but you know, it's still an option. There's eBay, I think, has an affiliate program as well. You know, there's a whole bunch of affiliate programs that, you know, they have, you know, marketplaces, and then you could, of course, promote their products. Now, what I personally recommend, I like to promote digital products, because digital products generally pay out, you know, much higher commission rates. So you could earn, like, you know, like per sale, you could earn like on average maybe, you know, $50 to $100. It really depends on the product you are promoting. Some products pay out, you know, really big commissions, but there's also the option of doing like high ticket affiliate marketing where you could earn, you know, $1,000 per sale, $2,000. So this is generally what I really recommend getting into if you're looking to build any sort of online business. That, or, you know, network marketing would also be good as well, because again, you are selling someone else's something. You don't have to deal with any inventory. You don't have to deal with any customer service. Your only thing that you really need to focus on is learning how to effectively market online and get people to want to buy a particular product. So affiliate marketing and network marketing, it's pretty much nothing more than influencing someone to make a decision. That's really all it really comes down to. And as long as you can learn how to do this, you could pretty much market whatever you want. And this is, again, without dealing with any inventory, without any customer service, without having to, you know, talk to people one-on-one. This is why I personally recommend affiliate marketing, and I think that it's by far the best way of really building a business online. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. You know, let me know if you feel dropshipping is worth it. Is it something that you see yourself getting into? I'd be interested in to, you know, hear your thoughts. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about how you could build a business through affiliate marketing or network marketing, there will be that link in the description where you can get access to that free webinar, and that's going to show you how to pretty much build, you know, any sort of business online and pretty much become your own independent marketer where you aren't depending on some other system to do all the selling and telling for you. But this really shows you how to pretty much market whatever it is you want online, because again, it focuses on these skill sets. It focuses on teaching you the right skills necessary in order to really have those long-term results. So unlike a lot of people who are just looking for that push button system to get them results, if you just decide to focus on learning the right skills, you will be at a huge advantage compared to the majority of, wannabe marketers out there. So again, hopefully you found this helpful. Be sure to check out that webinar, and take care.